In West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee may have lost, but the wildfire had already begun last year with the violence against Hindus in Murshidabad. The date was 11 April 2025. In Muslim majority Murshidabad, under the cover of protest against the Waqf bill, TMC goons joined hands with religious rioters and held the stage hostage from the streets to the railways. Within moments, the protest turned into violence. In the Jangipur and Suti areas, rioters spread the rumor that one of their men had died in a police lathi charge. Then what happened next? More than 200 Hindu homes and hundreds of vehicles were set on fire by the rioters. Armed mobs emerged from every direction. Hindu Hargovind Das and his son Chandan Das were dragged out of their home and killed by the Muslim mob. The violence was so well planned that Muslim mobs had already marked Hindu houses with black paint so they could be easily targeted when the attacks began. As always, Hindus were forced to flee in large numbers, crossing the Bhagirathi river to seek refuge in Malda district. And then, do you know what TMC leader Firhad Hakim said about the Hindu exodus? What's so bad? At least Hindus are migrating within West Bengal itself. A year passed, but the memory of these atrocities stayed alive in people's minds. Killings inside Hindu homes and the public slaughter of sisters and daughters. On 4 May 2026, as Mamata's government collapsed in West Bengal, Hindus stepped out of their homes, recalling decades of massacres flashing before their eyes. Because this victory was not just BJP's, it was the victory of Hindu community that had lived in fear in its own homeland for decades.